Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Structure Design Experts. Today, our topic is footing steel bar calculation. So, the size of the footing is given here 150 centimeter by 150 centimeter, and 40 centimeter is depth of the footing. So, this is without cover, and the below is minus cover 5 centi from the above. So, it will be 30 centi 5 from top side and 5 from bottom, so it will be become 30 centi depth. So as like hooks, the width will be also reduced 5 centi from right side and 5 centi from left side. So enter the value here without cover. So it is 0.30 plus 1.40 plus 0.30 is equal to 2 meter. The size of the footing is same, so the cut length for short span will be the same as per like a long span. So consider is the number of bar in each side span. To find the numbers, 1.4 is the width divided by center to center distance, so it will be become 9.33. so say 10 numbers, 10 numbers. And the this one is the long span, and the short span will be the same like 10 numbers, 10 numbers. So you know that dimension is different from each other, so you can divide it the width divided by the center to center distance, so it will be giving you the numbers of steel bars. So we now one piece length is 2 meters long span and 2 meters in short span. So the standard size length of the steel bar is 12 meters. So one short bar produce can 12 divided by 2, so 6 numbers. One steel produce 6 numbers of pieces. So long span and 6 numbers on short span. So the total bars needed for this footing are so 20 numbers. And what steel one steel bar produce 6 numbers. So if we order for 3 steel bars, it will be 18, but here we need 20 pieces per one footing both the sides. So we will be must purchase order for purchasing 4 steel bars, because the one steel bar will be given, 2 steel bar will be used and the other will be as a waste. We can adjust it in other places too, but our order will be 4 steel bar. So now calculate it, 6 by 4 is equal to 24 pieces. It will be produce for 24 pieces. We need 20, we will use 20 pieces just. So 12 it is 4 steel bar and the one length is 12, so it is 48 running meter of total steel. So now the formula for to find the conversion from the running meter to kg is d square divided by 162. So it will it is 16 mm to 16 by 16 divided by 162 and multiply by 48, so it will be 75 kg, 75.86 kg. So now we move to the other method, that how much steel is using exactly. So this one method is 20 pieces in the one piece length is 20 pieces and the one piece length is 2 meter, so it will be 40 meter. So the it means that 8 meter, 8 running meter will be, so 8 running meter will be wastage. So this wastage we can adjust anywhere for sometimes an extra member and other footing, so it will be adjustable. So the first method is basically using in practical site steel calculations. When you calculate the steel and the ground reality, so it will be needed to order the steel as per the first method. Now we will calculate the steel bar for footing. Steel bar calculation for footing having different size and contains both top and bottom steel bars. The concrete cover has provided 50 mm 5 cm underground level especially for this footing. So the bottom bar contains hooks and the top bar will be a single mesh. So let's start. The cut length of long side bottom bar is 3.20 by 2.20 and 0.55 meter is the depth of the footing. This is the depth without concrete cover. So 5 centimeter from all the sides will be minus from the depth, and as will from right and left side from the width. So we will be enter the video without concrete cover, and this one is bottom bar on long span, short span, and the above is long span. So now started from the long span. Length of long side bottom bars, so it is 0.55. So it means that 5 centimeter from top and 5 centimeter from bottom, so it will be 0.45. So it will be 0.45 because we will minus the 5 centimeter from both the top and bottom, plus 3.20, it is minus 5 from right and 5 from left, so it will be 3.10 plus same 0.45 is equal to 4 meter. And the bar cut length of long side top bars, so the top bar is on, there is no hook as we already discussed, so it will be 3.10 meter. So now cut length of bar of short side bottom bars, the bars is 2.205 cm will be cover one side and 5 cm from other side, so it will be 0.45 plus 2.10 plus 0.45. 2.10 it is cover minus cover, clear cover of the concrete. So in short span it is 2.10 because there is no hook, we just minus the concrete cover from both the sides. So number of bottom bars long span, so the 3.10 is long span divided by 0.515 is center to center distance, so it means that 21 numbers of steel pieces is needed for, and number of top bar long span is also 21, so because the width is same, so number of bottom bar long span is 2.10 divided by 0.5 is equal to 14 numbers, as will the number of top bar will be the same as like bottom bars because the width is same. So the standard length of the steel bar is 12 meters. So now cut length of long side bottom bars is zero point 0.4 as 4 meter, so the 12 one steel bar can produce, so 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. One steel bar produce 3 pieces, so we need 21 pieces, so 7 steel bar will be need for the cut length for the top bottom bars long side, so 7 steel bar is needed here. Now we 7 by 12 is equal to one steel bar length is 12 meters, so 7 multiplied by 12 is equal to 40 40 84 running meter, 84 running meter. So now calculate for cut length of long side top bars. For long side top bar is 12 divided by 3.10, so the same steel bar will be needed for the long side. So now calculate for short side bottom bars. So the length of one bar is 3 meters. So 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4 pieces. We need 14 numbers. We need 14 numbers. So is equal to 4 bar will be needed, because if we select 3 bars, so it will be not enough. So therefore we will select 4 bars for this short side bottom bars. So it will be 4 by 12 is equal to 48 running meter. So now select for cut length for short side top bars. So its length is 2.10. To 12 divided by 2.10 is equal to 5 steel 5 pieces. So 3 steel bar will be needed for this. So 3 by 12 is equal to 36 running meter. So now calculate this method. So it is first is 21 number and the length is 4 meter. So and the second is 21 numbers and length is 3.10 meter, and the fourth is 14 numbers and length is 3 meter, 3 meter by 14, and the last one is 2.10. Length of each by 14 numbers is needed. So it is 84. The second is one is 65.1, and the third is 42, and the fourth is 29.4. So its total sum of these length is 220.5 running meter. So it is the steel which exactly using in the footing, and our demand will be 220 52 running meter. So the remaining will be the wastage. So now we can also calculate the wastage, and the wastage some pieces can be adjusted in other footings. So the numbers are basically in villa construction there is the same footings, maybe 4 to 5, so we can adjust it in different uh, footings. You can calculate it 252 minus 220.5, so it will be the wastage. So 31.5 running meter is the wastage. So the wastage the wasted which the bar which is not using here for this footing, we can adjust it in another footing, but the demand will be remain constant. Thank you for